20 Incredible Marvel Facts You Don't Know. 1. Agent Phil Coulson only appeared in the first Thor movie because Samuel L. Jackson was busy and was never intended to be a recurring character. 2. In Captain America, the Winter Soldier, Cap has a list of things he wants to catch up on. Different items appear on the list depending on where you watch the movie. 3. In Doctor Strange, Benedict Cumberbatch plays the evil villain Dormammu. Even more strange, Cumberbatch didn't do the voice for the character and no voice actor is listed for the voice of Dormammu. It still remains a mystery who did it. 4. Tom Holland's Instagram and casual vlogging inspired the beginning of Spider-Man: Homecoming. 5. Just like this list, spoilers for movies sometimes have to happen. However, Tom Holland had a problem with accidentally leaking spoilers. For Infinity War, he received the script with only his lines visible. 6. Fury's big week. Nick Fury is a busy person at the best of times, but in the Marvel world Thor, Iron Man 2 and the Incredible Hulk happened in the same week. 7. J.A.R.V.S. stands for just a rather very intelligent system. 8. Tom Holland found out he got the role of Spider-Man through an Instagram post. 9. The word zombies was trademarked by Marvel Studios in 1973. 10. There are 2 Infinity Gauntlets in the Marvel Universe. One is seen in Odin's treasure room for the right hand. The left one, Thanos is after. 11. When Captain America's best friend, Bucky Barnes, was brainwashed, he was in charge of training trained Romanoff to be an assassin. Bucky taught her the skills she would eventually need to become Black Widow. 12. The MCU has its own news channel that posts videos on YouTube about the Marvel Cinematic Universe. 13. The end credit scene of the Avengers movie was added much later than the filming, so the cast had already started other projects. Chris Evans had grown a beard for a different role, so he wore a prosthetic jaw. 14. Real military police were extras in the attack on New York scene in Avengers. There were about 25 of them there. 15. The events in Infinity War take place over just 2 days. 16. Originally, in the movie Infinity War, Captain America was only written in after 2 hours. When the screenwriters realized, they had to go back and write him in. 17. The line "he's a friend from work" from Thor, Ragnarok caused a major stir on social media, enough to grant it iconic status in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It was suggested to Chris Hemsworth between takes by a child visiting the set. 18. Robert Downing Jr. hid food around the sets of almost every Marvel movie so he could snack during filming. If you see Iron Man snacking in the movie, it probably wasn't scripted. 19. 19. In Iron Man 2, Nick Fury refers to the discovery of Thor's hammer when he says we've got bigger problems to worry about in the Southwest. 20. For the movie, Guardians of the Galaxy, a script was written out with Groot's language, consisting of just I am Groot and the occasional We're Groot, translated into English.